Welcome to, wait, how do you switch camera angle? You can't do it on a... Oh well. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. Thomas's fridge. Thomas's house. What time is it? What time is it?
Half six.
Half six. Alright, cool. Half six. I'm gonna try to make something in Thomas's house. Oh, fuck, I only have potatoes. I'm not just gonna make potatoes, man. What the fuck?
Is there one more round?
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, Thomas. Can I ask you a quick question?
No, yeah, of course. What?
Like, how do you, like, usually eat your cereal? Like, with, like, what kind of, like, utensil do you use?
I use a spoon.
Use a spoon?
Yeah, big spoon.
A big spoon? Oh, okay.
What are you?
No, nothing. No, don't worry about it. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, talk to you later. See you later.
There you go.
Yeah, no, see you later.
Is there one more noodles?
There is a chicken noodle salad.
Oh shit. Well, that's not much of a fucking cooking video.
Well, it's better than potato.
Every cupboard Thomas has. Oh wait, no, that's a fucking. Oh, is a promise of anything?
Ooh, there's cereal.
There's cereal. That's some sustenance.
Studio Guinness.
Oh, Thomas, you're gonna go big and strong, man. You can eat just ground cinnamon. Pain. Whoa, Sylvie, chill.
What?
Sylvie, chill. What are you asking for?
Ketamine.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's kind of illegal. I think you should give it to Sam's bumhole instead. Sam, you should boof your cat.
Boof some cat, Sam.
Are you gonna like edit this?
I could. That'd be funny.
Like road review style.
I'm wearing shoes. Sam, if they're gonna boof it. Get a ball of mucus. We'll have to put some K in it.
That's not
Don't
like structured.
film that. No.
I think what you'd do. No, I think what you'd do is you'd like put it in your fingers, just fill it up, like
Put it in what?
put it between your fingers and.
Sylvie, you're actually so clown.
Is that a video? Just go like that.
No, do it, please
Shit on
do
your
it.
finger.
No. I went to the
you
toilet. I had a
beefing
bath
about?
and I went to the toilet recently.
You were beefing later.
I made a joke and now it's like turning into reality. No, okay. No more cat.
Oh, that's
Not even if it went up Indigo's
Yeah.
asshole. That would be pretty
That would be
funny, you
such
have
a-
to admit.
It would be really funny, but no.
Do you think the humour is worth it?
No.
For one bump, come on. Allow it.
No, it's probably gonna be really disappointing and just depressing
That
and
was so
shit.
disgusting. Fucking stupid finger. It's not happening.
It's not happening. So,
I don't think so.
Indy, how do you feel that you won't be able to shove cat up your ear?
I'm gonna have to boof this wine instead. Sylvie, come help me get a gape in the bathroom.
You need some like surgical equipment to open your ass on that one.
Yeah, but didn't anyone ask that? What time is it? Does anyone know? Marcus? Time.
9 a.m.
Hell yeah.
I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. I think that we should.
Every condition is safe. Paid saver people to come in every 12 hours to clean it. And you just sesh down. Alexa.
I have like